This is a short video tutorial on how to do texture mapping on primitive elements in Blender. The first step is to select the element that you want to texture map, then get into edit mode, select all the faces. You may have to hit A couple of times. With all the faces selected, in the material properties window, create a new material. And give it an appropriate name. With the material selected, assign it to all of the model faces. With the material still selected, select the texture mapping panel, select the new button, and create a new texture. In the Type pull-down menu, make sure that it says Image or Movie. Scroll down and under the Image section, select Open. You should have already saved a texture map image in the same folder as your models. Select it and open it. Scroll down to the Mapping section. Make sure that coordinates is set to generated, and then set the projection based on your shape. In this case, I'll pick cube. And I am done. I can get out of edit mode. If I render the image, I have my texture map image pasted on each side of the cube. Let's texture map the sphere. Same steps. Get into edit mode. Make sure that everything is selected. Go to materials and create a new material. Give it an appropriate name. Assign that material to every face on the model. With the material still highlighted, select the texture menu, slide back up, create a new texture, give it an appropriate name. Make sure that image or movie is selected under Type. Select Open. Select the image that you want to use for the texture mapping. Slide down to the mapping section, make sure that the coordinates is generated, and make the projection be, in this case, sphere, because we want to map to a sphere. Get out of edit mode, and let's render the scene. You can see that it has put the entire image around the sphere. Let's do one more. Let's do the torus. Again, I will get into edit mode, make sure that everything is selected. I will create a new material. Let's make this be torus material. With every face selected, I will assign this material. With the material selected, I will create a new texture. Make sure that image or movie is selected. Open the file image that you want for the texture map. Make sure that it says generated, and then pick the type of object. In this case, I will pick tube. I will get out of edit mode and render. As you can see, it has wrapped the entire image around the torus. That's all there is to texture mapping.